Welcome to 2025, right? This is my first video, and I'm gonna say Happy New Year to you guys. This year we are going to be doing more better than we did last year, right? So due to because it's 2025, so many people have questions, and many people have been on my DM asking me, Marzi, is 2025? What's the new update? Is there any update concerning Facebook monetization? This question is coming due to because Facebook said last year that the monetization is going to be strictly by invitation till 2025. So a lot of people are confused. What are we supposed to do? What are the criteria that we need to reach for us to be actually invited into this program? And now we are in the 2025 that Facebook promised, and a lot of people have questions. They are asking, what is happening? What's the new update? To some people who don't understand how Facebook monetization work, what happened is that before late last year, we have criteria that we need to reach, 60,000 watch minutes, 5,000 followers, for 5 eligible videos, and cool, right? So these are the things that you need to reach for you to actually get set up, into in-stream ad and get monetized. And we also have ads on Reel, which when you're posting and you get engagement enough that they feel like you are qualified, they invite you to the program. So we have so many programs that people actually aim from, which is in-stream ad, ads on Reel, even live ad and bonuses, right? So a lot of people are actually making a lot of money with this program. Before Facebook now came out and said that they have changed the way they are doing this thing, that they want to do it another way, then created content monetization better. And this content monetization they introduce is the combination of in-stream ad, ads on Reel, bonuses, and other means that people actually earn on Facebook, which also includes live ads. So, but where we have an issue right here is that this content monetization, they didn't state the criteria that people need to reach for them to actually earn. They said it's strictly by invitation, and they said that they are going to be inviting people. They have already invited millions of people, and they will invite more millions of people till 2025. And right now we are in 2025, and a lot of people have questions. They are asking, yeah, we are now in 2025. What's the way forward? Are they going to provide the criteria that we need to reach for us to actually start earning? Or are they going to live us this way and be inviting people that they feel like are qualified? So a lot of people have questions. And also recently, a lot of people are actually seeing payouts, even though they are not yet monetized. So people are asking a lot of questions, right? So this is 2025, and I believe that Facebook is still working on all these things, and they are going to notify us. So some people who are actually seeing these payouts and they are not yet monetized, you don't need to worry. This is actually Facebook doing their thing. Recently, a lot of people actually lost their recommendation because of this glitch, and their recommendation was restored. So this payout that you all are seeing in your dashboard, even though you are not monetized, is normal. This actually shows that everything is working out well. So we are waiting for them to now update us if there will be criteria in few months to come, or are we still going to continue with the invitation, right? So most important thing you need to do in this 2025 is for you to post original content. Make sure that you post original content because it counts, and post content that people will actually engage, because engagement also counts. If people are reacting to your post, it helps algorithm to push your post, and it gives you more opportunity to be invited. All right, so this is all I have to say concerning Facebook monetization currently. We are still in the new year, and Facebook are still doing their thing. So when they update us, I will come right here and explain to you guys. So to the people in my DM asking what's the way forward, this is all I have to say concerning Facebook monetization for now. There is no other information I've gathered. That's the reason why I've not been making videos concerning Facebook monetization. I've switched side, and I'm making more videos that you all are going to actually enjoy until the new update comes out. All right, so thank you all for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate you all. And if you are seeing me for the first time, I'm Mazimini, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video like this one you just watch at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. So happy new year once more, and see you in my next video.